Hey everyone, check this out. Beautiful, right? Would you believe I made this cozy ambience video completely free? No fancy equipment, no paid software. Today I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, step by step. First things first, let's talk about what we need. Open up your notes because this is important. For video, we'll use your phone camera. Yes! Really! That phone in your pocket is powerful enough. For audio, we'll use that same phone or your computer's built-in microphone. And for editing, we're going with OpenShot, totally free and perfect for beginners. But Sarah, you might be thinking, my house isn't aesthetic enough for cozy videos. Trust me, I had the same worry. Let me show you a trick. See this corner of my living room? Nothing special, right? Watch what happens when we adjust just 3 things. First, clear everything out except one focal point, like this reading chair. Next, add soft lighting. I'm using this $5 thrift store lamp. Finally, layer in texture with blankets or pillows you already own. Still not perfect? Here's where camera angles become your best friend. Low angles make spaces feel larger. Shooting through objects like plants or curtains adds depth. And most importantly, get close to your subject. Really close. See how different that looks? Same cup, same room, just a better angle. Now let's talk about audio. This is where most people get stuck. You don't need expensive microphones. Nature sounds are your friend. Let me show you how to record rain. Can't wait for real rain? No problem! Run your shower with the phone in the next room. Instant rain sounds. For that perfect crackling fireplace. Regular paper, crumpled slowly. Layer a few recordings, and you've got yourself a cozy fire. But what about music? Most lo-fi tracks are copyrighted. Here's where I'll share my secret weapon, the Free Music Archive. Let me show you exactly how to search. Filter by commercial use allowed. Look for terms like ambient, peaceful, or piano. Always check the license, but there's tons of free music here. Now comes the fun part, putting it all together! Import your video clips here, drag your audio tracks here, and let's start building. See how I'm layering the sounds? Rain in the background, subtle fire crackling, then music on top. But keep the music at about 20% volume. Oh, common mistake alert. Never make your ambience videos too busy. Pick 3 elements max. More than that gets overwhelming. Let's talk transitions. Slow fades are your friend. Watch this. At least 3 seconds for each fade. Rushing transitions breaks the cozy mood we're creating. Now, about length. I get this question a lot. My most successful videos are between 30 minutes and 2 hours. But start with 30 minutes while you're learning. You can always make longer videos later. Let's address the elephant in the room. What about video quality? Sure, professional cameras look amazing, but phone cameras are more than good enough to start. The secret is lighting. Natural light is best, but any soft light source works. Here's a pro tip that changed my videos completely. Lock your focus and exposure before recording. Just tap and hold on your main subject. This prevents that annoying autofocus hunting. Another game changer? White balance? See how this clip looks yellow and this one looks blue? Lock your white balance to keep colors consistent. Time for troubleshooting. Let's tackle the most common problems. Shaky footage? Use books to stabilize your phone. Wind noise in outdoor shots? A sock over your microphone works as a windshield. Dark footage? Bounce light off a white sheet or wall. Now let's talk about uploading. Keywords are crucial. Include terms like cozy, ambience, relaxing, and describe what's in your video. Don't forget seasonal keywords. For thumbnails, less is more. Dark, moody thumbnails perform better for cozy videos. Add minimal text, just enough to describe the scene. Before we wrap up, let's review the big mistakes to avoid. Don't overdo effects. Don't use copyrighted music. Don't make scenes too busy. And please, don't forget to credit free music creators in your description. Ready to try? Ready to try? Here's your homework. Start with one simple scene. A book, a candle, maybe some tea. Record for 5 minutes. Add rain sounds and free music. That's it! Your first cozy ambience video. Remember, everyone started somewhere. My first video was just my cat sleeping near a window. Now it has over 100,000 views. Drop a comment when you upload your first video. I want to see what you create! And if you get stuck, your fellow creators and I are here to help. Next week, I'll show you advanced techniques for seasonal ambience videos. Until then, keep creating, and don't forget, Cozy is a feeling, not a price tag. If you found this helpful, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you in the next video.